The debt clock has streaming facts about the U.S. economy that were used in this video. President Donald Trump took office on January 20th, 2016. Let's compare a few facts to President Obama to see what happened in retrospect. President Obama served 2 terms. That's 2,920 days as the 44th President of the United States. President Trump has served 430 days of his first term of 1,460 days. I used the Debt Clock real-time app and transcribed 11 facts for the comparison. The facts are sorted by the percent of change to reflect POTUS 44's agenda. Currency was number 1 because the Federal Reserve was expanding the balance sheet that's the code word for printing money. If you recall, economic easing it was called. And President Obama reduced the size of the government by 6%. It was pretty impressive. POTUS 45's facts are sorted by percent of change, and they reveal defense as number 1, and currency in this case is number 11, because the Federal Reserve is now shrinking the balance sheet. It's a code word called tightening the money supply. Now let's compare the percent of change for each side by each to provide a deeper understanding and answer the question, how did they do? I think you'll find this interesting. Defense under Obama decreased by 0.3%. Under Trump has increased 11.2%. And each of the line items are presented in that format. Trade, for instance, a decrease under Obama and an increase under Trump. This was a surprise. Assets per citizens were higher under Obama than Trump. It's a decrease under President Trump. Student loans have decreased. Gross domestic product has increased. We know about that as he thumps his chest daily. The U.S. debt has increased, and this doesn't include the recent increases that he just signed into law. Medicare has decreased rather significantly. Manufacturing jobs have increased. The workforce has increased. The government employees have a slight increase. And currency has decreased because the Fed is now deleveraging the balance sheet. Now you know, and remember this, the greatest theory must yield to the ugliest fact. Stay tuned. We are living in interesting times. Thank you.